Hello, you're right, and welcome to today's drama lesson. Retrieval questions. Please write the question in your book and the answer that you think is correct. Number 1. What vocal skill is used to show how you are feeling? Number 2. What P is used to describe how fast or slow you are speaking? Number 3. How does a performer show the audience how a character is feeling? And number 4, what type of staging has the audience sat down around all 4 sides of the stage? Please pause the video here and write down the answer that you think is correct. And here are the correct answers. Number 1, tone is a vocal skill used to show how you're feeling. Number 2, pace is used to describe how fast or slow you are speaking. Number 3, facial expressions show how a performer is feeling. And number 4, theatre is in the round is when the audience are sat down around all 4 sides of the stage. Please write the correct answers in your books. Pause the video here. This term we are going to be exploring voice. What and why? What? Explore different stimuli as the different characters, using vocal pitch to distinguish between each one. Why? Explore vocal pitch and understand its impact when delivering lines of dialogue. Pitch. What does vocal pitch tell the audience about the character? Pitch tells the audience how old a character is, whether they are male or female, as well as the mood. Task. In pairs, one of you will be an old lady or man, and the other will be a young child. Use the scripted dialogue to practice delivering your lines using the appropriate pitch. An old person has a low pitch, whilst a young person has a high pitch. Hello, dear. How are you?
I'm okay.
What is your name?
My name is Charlie Cotton.
And how old are you?
I am 5.5 years old.
And what is your favourite colour?
Blue.
Now have a go practicing using the pitches for both the young and the very old person. Please pause the video here. Performance and evaluation. We are now going to watch your peers perform. Remember to be a quality audience, and whilst the group are performing, think about 2 stars, which are 2 things that you thought were positive about the performance, and 1 wish. This could be something they could add or change to improve their piece. Please pause the video here and watch and evaluate the performances. Pitch. Task. In pairs, one of you will be a middle-aged old man and the other will be a teenager. Use the scripted dialogue to practice delivering your lines using the appropriate pitch. Remember that a middle-aged man has a low and deep pitch, whilst the teenager has a higher pitch but not as high as the young child.
Where have you been?
Out.
Out where?
Just out.
Don't take that tone with me. Now tell me where you have been, or else.
Or else what?
If you don't tell me where you've been, there will be consequences.
Whatever. Now have a go at this task yourselves. Please pause the video here. Performance and evaluation. Again, you are going to be a quality audience, and whilst the performers are performing, you will be thinking about 2 stars and a wish. This time, you are going to use full sentences and key terminology to provide feedback for the performances, which include strengths and areas for development. Please pause the video here to perform and evaluate. To further challenge yourself, you could create your own dialogue, add in your own lines extending the script. Think about how to use tone, which shows how a character is feeling. Use pause to show that a character is thinking. Sometimes this is used by all confused people. If you're in shock or you don't know what to say next, have a go at developing your piece. Please pause the video here. Plenary. What is pitch? How does it help the audience identify with a character? Have a think about these questions and deliver your answers using full sentences and key terminology. Please pause the video here.